Boys, there we go. Last ball, taps it away. Salman wants to go for the second one, goes for it, but there we go. India, the champions, the defending champions for the third time. They are the victorious team in the third edition of the T20 World Cup for the cricket for blind. What a way to raise up to glory. That is the celebration you want to see. As an Indian supporter, you'll be really happy with the way these men in blue have played. They've outsmarted, outdone the Bangladesh team in all the departments. First, winning the toss, electing to bat first, then putting up a mammoth 278 runs on the board. And Salman, only the lone fighter with the bat. India once again winning with a huge margin, 120 run margin. That's a huge margin when it comes to T20 cricket, or rather any form of cricket.